Hello guys, welcome to ZackAnna tutorial. This is Zakir, and today I'm going to introduce logical operators in C. So as you can see, we have three types of logical operators in C. The first one is AND, the second one is OR, and the third one is NOT. So let me explain it one by one. Let's say you have two conditions. If the condition is satisfied or true, you get an output of 1. And if the condition is not satisfied, you denote it with 0. So the first logical operator we have in here is AND operator. So when you apply AND operator to two conditions, and the first condition is not satisfied, which I said earlier that is denoted by 0 when not satisfied, and when satisfied, denoted by 1. So the first condition is not satisfied, so we wrote 0. The second condition is satisfied, so we wrote 1. And we applied the AND operator, so we got an output of 0. So it means that if both of the conditions are satisfied, you can get the true output. Otherwise, you will get a false output of 0. So in the second example, we have that the first condition is true or satisfied, and the second condition is also satisfied. So you got an output of 1 or true. And the third condition we have is that none of the conditions is satisfied, so you got an output of 0. So this is the function of AND operator. If it has two satisfied conditions, it will give you an output of 1, otherwise 0. The second one we have is called OR operator. So the OR operator is a little bit different from AND operator. If you have one of the conditions satisfied, you will get a true output. And if you have if both the conditions are not satisfied, you will get an output of 0. And if both the conditions are satisfied, you will get an output of 1. As it is clear from its name that OR. So like you can accept any of the value, 0 or 1. So 0 or 1, yeah, we got 1. 0 or 0, so you have to get 1 in order to get a true output. So that's why the output is 0. The third one is both the conditions are satisfied, so 1 or 1, the output is 1. The third one we have is NOT. So NOT is basically a villain, or you can say a devil. It just inverse or flip your value. Whatever you have, if you have a 1, it will make it 0. If you have 0, it will make it 1. So here we have a condition. We have conditional statement here, 0 and 1, and we are taking it in 1. So 0 and 1. What will be the output? As you can see here, 0 and 1 is 0. So 0 and 1 is gonna be 0, 0, and we are applying NOT operator to it. So we got the output 1, with just simply the inverse of the reverse of 0 is 1. The second example for NOT we have is 0 or 1. So the result of 0 or 1 is, as you can see here, 0 or 1 is 1. So we got 1. Now we are applying NOT operator to it. So it just reversed the value, and we just reversed the 1, and we got 0. So that's it. And in next video tutorial, I'm going to use logical operators in our program so that you can understand it better. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.